Home Zone Security Doorbell is smart hardwired doorbell camera working on 12 to 24 volt AC and supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Home Zone Smart app can be downloaded on your Android or iOS mobile devices to receive push notifications straight to your mobile device when someone rings the doorbell or when motion is detected. Human filtering and customizable motion detection areas can be set to avoid false alarms. The doorbell features a camera with wide 140-degree viewing angle, 1080p Full HD resolution and IR night vision of up to 32 feet. It is possible to choose between event recording or non-stop recording options. Recorded video clips can be downloaded from mobile app and saved to local micro SD memory card storage of your mobile device. This doorbell camera is compatible with existing wired doorbell system with mechanical chime box. You can easily replace your existing wired doorbell with the included mounting accessories to guard your front door and upgrade your home security. EZVIZ DB2 Video Doorbell is battery-powered wireless doorbell which can be paired with a chime. It supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, two-way audio and has a weatherproof design. The doorbell has integrated camera with 2K resolution, 176 degrees field of view, and features AI human detection and 5-meter infrared night vision. The doorbell vision can be optimized with several different mounting plates which are supplied with the package. With both human shape and glare detection capabilities, the device is smart enough to distinguish people from pets or objects. Internal rechargeable 5200 mAh battery of the doorbell can last up to 4 months. While paired with the chime, Wi-Fi signal is extended, and boost the network ensuring stable connection for the doorbell. You can customize the alert trigger conditions to adjust its sensibility. Using the EZVIZ app, you can talk and react with only a simple tap. There are 2 storage options. You can insert a micro SD card, up to 256 GB, into Chime to save your recordings locally or subscribe to EZVIZ Cloud Play for unlimited storage space and an additional layer of data protection. BOSMA SENTRY Doorbell is a hardwired video doorbell supporting 1080p video with 180 degrees super wide-angle field of view and color night vision. The doorbell features advanced motion detection, facial recognition, package detection and theft prevention. Once BOSMA SENTRY Doorbell is ringed, you can get instant notifications on the mobile app and have two-way communication with the visitor. With the facial recognition feature, it is possible to know whether it's a stranger or a familiar person at the door. It is also possible to connect Sentry Doorbell with BOSMA EGIS Smart Lock, fingerprint module and many other peripheral sensors. Sentry also integrates a hub that works with other BOSMA peripheral sensors and lights, such as the BOSMA door sensor that notifies you when a door or window in your home opens. With package detection feature of Sentry Doorbell, you can get automatic notification to the mobile app. BOSMA Sentry Doorbell has a built-in 100 dB siren, which automatically turns on to scare off the thief and protects your packages when you are away. Sentry uses advanced motion detection to only capture motion of people, so you will only receive notifications that are relevant. In case of missed notifications, Sentry Doorbell can automatically play a pre-recorded voice message to your guest, and have them leave a voice message to you too. For storage options, you can choose to store video clips on the cloud for up to 30 days, which requires subscription, or store them locally with a micro SD card up to 128 GB. SimpliSafe Video Doorbell Pro features live streaming and two-way audio. Doorbell camera supports 1080p HD video with 10x zoom and 162 degrees field of view. And have integrated infrared lighting to maximize the visibility during the night. SimpliSafe Video Doorbell Pro also detects motion, using advanced motion analytics to identify and recognize people, cars, or other objects, and sends notifications to you based on the observed object. It is possible to set daytime and nighttime sensitivity for more granular control. With a subscription, the Video Doorbell Pro records video when the motion detection is triggered and SimpliSafe stores the recordings for up to 30 days. These recordings can be downloaded from your mobile app or website. Firmware updates are automatic and downloaded to the doorbell via Wi-Fi. Blink Video Doorbell Sync module allows you to answer your door anytime, anywhere with two-way audio communication from your smartphone with 1080p HD video in day and night with IR illumination. The doorbell features up to 2 years of powerful battery life, custom alerts, privacy settings, and more. You can choose to save and share clips in the cloud with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan or locally with the included Sync Module 2 and USB drive. It is possible to go wire-free or connect to doorbell wiring to also sound your existing in-home chime. Blink Video Doorbell also works with Alexa to access live view, two-way talk, receive motion or chime alerts, and to arm or disarm your doorbell. BELKIN WEMO Video Doorbell features a camera with a fisheye lens effect that allows you to see edge-to-edge and view packages in front of your door, offering the largest field of view on the market. With Apple HomeKit integration, WEMO Doorbell sends smart notifications alerts and allows you to see who's at your door with face recognition technology. Get a clear view, even in the dark with low-light sensitivity and HD camera. Infrared technology allows long-distance motion sensing at night and provides advanced notification of nighttime visitors. WEMO Doorbell supports dual Wi-Fi bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, resulting in better range and faster performance compared to single-band systems. You can conveniently view video in the Home app, and with your existing iCloud storage plan, 10-day motion-based recording history is securely stored and available to view whenever you want. EUFY Security Video Doorbell Dual Camera with Home Base is a battery-powered wireless doorbell camera supporting dual motion and package detection. The doorbell features 2K HD video with family recognition, requires no monthly fee subscription and up to 16 GB of local storage. As the view offered by ordinary cameras is just too limited to provide complete protection. With dual cam technology, the porch view camera eliminates blind spots and your doorstep is in full view. The advanced PIR and radar motion sensors of the EUFY Video Doorbell Dual are able to distinguish both near and far subjects and reduce 95% of false alarms. You can get instant notifications when your package arrives with Delivery Guard. Plus, you can receive pickup reminders and alerts if someone approaches your package. With 2K HDR video surveillance, visitors can be identified with detail in perfect color and clarity. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is hardwired video doorbell with head-to-toe HD plus video. The doorbell offers 3D motion detection and customizable motion zones to deliver more precise motion alerts and tracking. You can have bird's eye view for aerial views of motion events and a more complete picture of home security. With the best motion detection on the block, you can pinpoint motion and distance with 3D motion detection. It is possible to set a motion perimeter up to 30 feet away and know exactly when and where someone steps onto your property. With built-in Alexa greetings, which is an exclusive Ring Protect Plan feature, the Video Doorbell Pro 2 automatically greets anyone who stops by, lets delivery drivers know where to leave your packages, and records detailed video messages, all on its own. You can have complete control of the Doorbell Pro 2 from the Ring app, to receive real-time notifications on your phone and tablet, get real-time video and audio with the Live View button, control and customize important security settings. It is also possible to save and share videos, photos with an optional Ring Protect plan and control everything with one simple app. UBIQUITI G4 Doorbell Pro is a Wi-Fi-enabled video doorbell equipped with a primary 5-megapixel camera and a secondary 8-megapixel package camera. The doorbell's main camera is equipped with IR LED to provide enhanced night vision that, when combined with the built-in porch light that illuminates objects up to 2 meters away, ensures a reliably clear surveillance feed around the clock. The G4 Doorbell Pro also features echo-canceling, two-way audio so you can interact with visitors, and its programmable display allows you to give alerts or delivery instructions to couriers. The product is designed to be a powerful, plug-and-play security tool. The G4 Doorbell Pro can be set up and configured in minutes with the UBIQUITI Protect application. The door can have optional fingerprint unlocking feature with additional UBIQUITI Smart Lock. G4 Doorbell streams 1080p HD video at 30 frames per second and supports dual-band Wi-Fi and GBE connectivity. The doorbell also has motion detection sensor and a programmable display. The G4 Doorbell IPX4 rated and has a weather-resistant casing. The G4 Doorbell can be easily configured with Bluetooth-powered setup via the UBIQUITI Protect mobile app. EUFY Security Video Smart Lock with Doorbell is an advanced 3-in-1 integration device which combines a 2K camera, advanced video doorbell notification technology, and the fastest smart lock fingerprint security into one device. With a powerful 2K camera and the 160 degrees large field of view, you can notice every detail. The camera-wide dynamic range technology delivers clear video even on the brightest days, and integrated 4-infrared lights ensures visibility at night. With intelligent dual motion detection, which combines the sensitivity of passive infrared detection with advanced radar, this video smart lock can sense accurately up to 19 feet. You can use video smart lock's built-in Wi-Fi to monitor your family, visitors in full 2K resolution and remotely unlock the door for your visitors, even if you're not at home. Auto-lock feature of the lock uses the geomagnetism sensor and gyroscope to accurately locate the door's position within 0.75 mm and acts in seconds to keep your home protected. Video Smart Locks boasts a BHMA certification and is reliable for 200,000 lock-unlock operations and, withstanding 40,000 keyboard presses. The device does not require any subscription fee and to protect your privacy has a built-in local storage. Your digital fingerprints and recordings are guarded by military-grade security to ensure only you and the people you trust see them. EUFY Security Video Smart Lock with Doorbell is weatherproof to IP65.